Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the browser so the translate cursor can work reliably. Open Chrome or Edge, make sure the browser is updated, then install the Google Translate extension or enable the experimental Translate Cursor flag. Once done, open Extension Settings and grant page access and clipboard permissions. This lets the cursor read text and paste translations. Also enable input monitoring for the extension, because without those permissions, the cursor cannot detect selectable text. Now you're ready to configure activation controls and shortcuts. Next, configure how you'll activate the translate cursor and what it does. Open the extensions options and assign a keyboard shortcut. This gives you control without menu hunting. Then pick detection mode. Hover for quick previews, selection for precise translation, or click for intentional actions. Each mode balances speed versus accuracy. Make sure target and source languages are set or enable auto-detect for mixed content. Finally, tweak the pop-up size and auto-copy behavior so translations appear where you expect them. Then test on a variety of pages. To finish, test the translate cursor across normal web text, PDF, and embedded frames to confirm consistent behavior. If the cursor doesn't appear, restart the browser first. That often clears temporary permission locks. If problems persist, reset the extension settings, verify page and clipboard permissions, and disable other extensions that may intercept selection or input. Ad blockers and privacy tools commonly conflict. If nothing fixes it, reinstall the extension. Reinstalling refreshes its permissions and usually resolves persistent edge cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.